Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. What is going on out there? Jump in. Oh my God, here we go. What is Scotty angry about now? Toyota cut production 50%. Yeah, man. Hey, Toyota's not the only one suffering from that. Guys, I get the automotive news as well. And I dissect all this stuff. And I be wanting to sit down in a different format and to speak on some of this stuff, but I ain't never got the time. I try to, on the way to work, fire my camera up and speak on it on the way to work. I'm 5 minutes from the job. That's all I need, 5 to 8 minute video. Speak on that, but if you go off the cuff, there's a chance you can get something wrong. And there's some guys out there, when I get something wrong, damn it, I'm like, you suck, man. You don't know what you're talking about. I'm gonna hear it. All right, so to avoid that, because y'all know I don't delete comments. I don't delete non-nice comments. You look at some of my videos, you will literally see guys telling me you talk too damn much. Man, get right to the point. I don't delete none of that. I be like, bruh, this is a no start video. Obviously your car not starting. Chances are you need to shut up and listen. You know, you want to get straight to the end and find out what's your problem. Well, this car I'm working on might not be the same problem you having. So, which tells me you may need to take a chill pill. Whoosah, relax. Listen to what JT have to say. Chances are he may hit on something. So, my point is, I ain't deleting Jack. You dog me out. Like, what's up? What you got, man? Hey, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna block you. I'm not gonna ban you. I'm not gonna none of that. We're gonna freaking duke it out. I'm gonna tell you how I feel from a professional standpoint. You know, I'll never say, you sucker, you get out of here, man. No. What's up, man? And in some cases, they right. I do talk too damn much. All right, but you know, this is the way I make videos. So, I mean, there's on your transport, on your YouTube screen, there's a little square box that means stop. So technically, all you gotta do is direct your mouse over to that square box and click it. I was by default, I'm gonna shut up because the video gonna stop, right? When you get to that point where you're thinking, JT talk too damn much, hit stop and go on to the next video. So, and keep looking until you find that miracle video that you're looking for that's gonna tell you exactly what's wrong with your car. All right, back to the matter is, there is no miracle videos out there. Everybody looking for that one miracle video. My car won't start. I have a 2012 Dodge Caravan. Let me punch it in. Dodge Caravan, no start. Ooh, here's 20 videos. I want the one that tell me what's wrong with my car. Those are called miracle videos, guys. Those don't exist. All right. Mechanics don't know. From what I said, I don't have a freaking clue what's wrong with your car or why it won't start. Okay. I'm speaking from whatever I'm working on, what's wrong with this car. Now, you can match the two and come to some type of conclusion if your complaint is the same as this. That's why you should shut up and listen sometimes instead of you talk too damn much. Damn, I keep getting off. Bob, come on, man. No, man. We're not going to do this today. But my point is, Bob Smith, Toyota not the only one. Man, y'all remember all the video footage I used to get with the trucks coming in, dropping off vehicles? I haven't done one of those videos in a while. You know why? We haven't gotten a delivery in a while. So the salesman is standing around going like this. They back there with us, messing with us. Like, man, what you going up there? You too clean to be back here. They got on suits and tight leg pants. Y'all know that's the style now. Tight leg pants. I'm just not there yet. Okay, the tight leg pants and the the bow tie and all that. I ain't ready yet for all that. So they come back there all clean. You mess around, come in my stall, you're gonna get some oil somewhere. All right, I got oil in the air in my stall. You don't even have to slip on it. It's just you inhale, you making some oil in your pores. I need to clean up. Miss Blitz, help me out. I don't know how. Okay. Yeah, you the best, my friend. Mike Hernandez, you, my friend, is the best. Mike be checking out all the videos, my friend. That is what's up, man. I appreciate when y'all tune in. All right, Mike, I'm just helping out the DIY guy, and in the process, I ain't gonna lie, guys. I keep saying this. If a YouTube guy tell you he just in it to help out the world, just to make the world a better place, he freaking lying. Okay, if that's the case, tell him to cut off his. Tell him to shut the damn ads off. Okay, so my point is, yes, I do this for DIY guys, but I also do it to earn a living. That's the honest, it's honesty. Okay. Now, at the same point, I have a level of respect for DIY guys and their limitation. Okay. So back in the past, I had to work on that. When a guy asked me blah blah blah, I'm like, man, what is the damn O2 doing as far as I needed data from them, so I had to control myself and realize some guys can't see what I see. But it's unfair, not unfair. I'm limited to what we can speak about because you're not seeing. If I ask you what is the engine map vacuum, okay, I need to know if it's 15 or 21. If it's 15, we got a problem. If you can't tell me that, then it's hard. My point is, yes, I do this. Number one, I enjoy it. Now I think revenue number one. Number two, I enjoy it. Okay, and number three, it's fun. That's the same as I enjoy it. Man. I got to come up with a number three. Give me a week or two on there. I'll get y'all a number three on why I do this. But Mike, man, you, my friend, is the best. All right. Thanks for watching, man. I got a question about my 370Z if you're not busy. You can catch me off this. Where we at? I'm at 20 minutes, so I'm gonna be on for another 20 minutes, maybe, or 10 or 15 minutes. So shoot, man. I mean, keep in mind, from where I sit, I am only able to give you my take on it. All right, my advice. Never take what, not just me, but anybody, what they say with a grain of, how should I word this? Take it as advice because, again, that's all they can offer you. All right, where we sit, nobody knows what's wrong with your car. We can speak from an experience standpoint, or we can speak from I seen that. Check this, check that from that standpoint, or we can speak on I ain't never seen that problem, but I guarantee you, I think that circuit is such and such. If you look here or do this or do that, that might lead you in the right direction. But guys, there is no direct answer from a guy a million miles away on the internet. Remember, this is the internet. WWW stands for World Wide Web. So jokers over in Russia, Yugoslavia could be watching with a PT Cruiser way over there. JT, man, what is wrong with my PT? I can tell you from my standpoint what I think it is. So a direct answer, don't look for that. Even if I try to give you one, don't take it with a grain of salt. Okay, even if I'm 100% sure, man, I've seen that. I'm telling you, it's a fuel pump. I'm telling you, I guarantee. All right, my point is, yeah, man, shoot. What's up? Life.